Are you facing a frustrating issue with your Spark job on a Hadoop cluster? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common problem, the dreaded file does not exist on HDFS error. I totally understand how annoying it can be when everything seems to be set up correctly, but you still hit a wall. This is a common scenario for many users working with Hadoop and Spark. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user has a Hadoop cluster set up on AWS with one master and 3 slave nodes. They can run Spark jobs in client deploy mode without issues, but when they try to submit a job in cluster mode, they encounter a file does not exist error. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the Spark job cannot find the necessary files in HDFS. This can be due to incorrect paths, missing files, or issues with the staging directory. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help prevent this issue from happening again. To resolve the issue of the file not existing on HDFS, the user should first check the HDFS path specified in the error message. This path is where Spark is trying to upload its libraries. Next, the user should ensure that the Spark job has the correct permissions to write to the specified HDFS directory. This can be done by checking the permissions of the user running the Spark job. If the permissions are correct, the user should check if the Spark configuration is set to upload the necessary libraries. This can be done by setting the spark.yarn.jars property in the Spark configuration file. Finally, the user should try to resubmit the Spark job after making these changes. This will help confirm if the issue has been resolved. Fun fact, did you know that Hadoop was originally developed by Doug Cutting and Mike Caffarella in 2005? It has come a long way since then, but some issues still persist. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that the Spark context needs to be initialized first, even before any non-Spark related variables. They found that this simple change resolved their issue. They also noted that removing the set master local command was important, as it could interfere with the Spark context initialization. Here's that crucial tip I promised. Regularly check your HDFS paths and permissions before running Spark jobs. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the file does not exist on HDFS error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and remember to keep your Spark jobs running smoothly.